Are you getting this annoying Smart App Control blocked message every time you try to run a trusted app or installer? And the worst part, when you go to Settings, the toggle is grayed out and you can't turn it off. Well, don't worry. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this and get your apps running again in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. Step 1. Type Smart Control in search. Step 2. Click on Smart App Control Settings. If your toggle is active, simply switch it to off, but if yours is grayed out like mine, move on to method 2. This is the advanced fix. Press Windows plus R on your keyboard, type regedit, and press Enter. Now navigate to this path. It's also in the description. H-key local machine /system /current control set /control /ci /policy. Look for the value named Verified and Reputable Policy State. Double-click it. And that's it. Your apps should now open without any issues. If this video helped you out, please drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more Windows tips and tricks.